Hi, and welcome to Lesson 3 of WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing, configuring order totals and role-based pricing. In this video, I will show you how to set up order total and role-based pricing using WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Dynamic Pricing. Now, in Order Totals, click on Add Pricing Group. Let's configure the settings. In Admin Title, give your rule a name. In Quantities based on, we have Cart Total and Category Total. In Applies to, you can select everyone, guests, or specific roles. If you want to run a time-limited offer, you can select a date range for your discount. This is optional, but great for promotions. Now, in Order Total Pricing, add a minimum order total and a maximum order total. In Discount Type, we have Percentage Adjustment. Now add the amount of discount as a percentage. Once the details are added, click on the Save Changes button. Now, let's set up discounts for specific roles. Click on the Roles tab. In Role Pricing, we have an Enable button, the user role, discount type, and discount amount. To enable a discount for a role, toggle the Enable switch to Yes. Now choose a discount type, price discount, flat amount, or percentage of percentage discount. Now enter the discount amount as a percentage. You can also add discounts for multiple roles, like authors and contributors. Toggle the Enable button to Yes and set the discount. Once the details are added, click on the Save Changes button. Remember, role-based discounts work alongside other roles. For example, if a customer has a role-based discount and adds enough items to qualify for an order total discount, both discounts will be applied, and that's it. Now you have set up order totals and role-based pricing. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.